Ralphie boy, you're back, mate. Good to see you, lad. Oi! There goes a bin knock over.
Close the lid at least.
Good one. Don't forget he'll come back up here. Oh, actually, he won't. He'll probably end up going down there and then going that way. Yeah, so he'll go be back down there, pick up that bin and then head that way. Unless he does come back in here. I didn't think he will be. No, he's not. Picking up there and going that way, obviously. I knew he would. Don't know what you were trying to say. You didn't even see me. In the bum. I don't know what he's looking at. What it's so bad he has a spillage picking up those red bins.
Bare months.
Phew, that stinks. A little bit. It's not that bad, mate.
It's pretty bad.
It's not that bad, but it's pretty bad. I will say. Yeah, that's actually worse than I thought it would be. It stinks, doesn't it? Whew. Worse than I thought it would smell. For sure. He probably would have had a break at his house, like I said. It's a bit. Because he's only just got here. It's only just got in here, so. spillage here. Look at this. Oh, okay. The bin looked like it was full of water. That bin nearly went in the hopper.
It's a full bed.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. It's kind of 5.
It's simple. It's an easy one.
This is easy for him too. Way too easy for him. A bit of liquid in there.
Yeah.
Jesus. Fuck, it smells again. You can smell it coming through the thing. Vents. The vents. It's me now. Took me a fair bit of time to drink that. Knock over. What are you doing, Ralph? Don't normally knock many bins over. Two in a row! Ralph! You're on camera, mate! I won't knock this over. It's a big ass bin. It'll easily stay up. I don't want you to knock any more bins over, Ralph. You're on camera, mate.
One of these ones over.
You reckon? I don't know. Maybe. This could be the bin you were saying. Knock over. Oh, I nearly did too. Quick, go, mate. The 4 bins up next. Oh, nearly. Yeah, there's one. Full last bin.
I've got the ones up a bit more.
Yeah, true. Yes, they won't knock that one over, surely. It's a full bin. Went down to the wheels, not so sure. Oi, yeah, come on, Ralph. Keep it up, mate. Keep it up. Ah!
He tried.
He tried his hardest.
Yeah.
Tried his heart out. Here we go. This is the spillage day, I reckon. He's done well. He's done extremely well to do that. But he's looking for one more bin here. Could be a knockover. No spillage.
No.
Doesn't he do good?
It's just too good.
Our red bin will be full of liquid too.
Oh, no doubt. You don't have a bloody lid.
Our green bin will be too. But our green bin doesn't have a lid either. The green waste always checks our bin in our green waste bin because he never knows if it's actually green waste or garbage. Because some green bins look like red bins.
Yeah, like that one, but
Yeah.
like the red lid.
Red lid on it, yeah. Oh, big bull of Chris. Oh, Whitey. Nearly got off of you. Knock over. Oh, nearly. Nearly did. Just waiting, man. Oh, it's pretty big. I don't know.
Oh, is this a
Court. Yeah, it is. That's what I was wondering. I don't know if it's.
Yeah, we might wait back here for it.
If we wait here, I was thinking that. Yeah. What they're doing. Someone's just put their bin out now. It's lucky. He's got his tinsel off. He would have put that off this morning because it wasn't off on Friday.
No,
He was the other driver. He was on there for the week, 2 weeks. Isn't it? Nice. Bloody nice room. See the things. It's cool.
We'll go to a blocky.